హాయ్ గైస్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై మొత్తం చూడు యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకునే టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి మనం ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో పార్ట్ వన్ గురించి మనం మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. అంటే వై సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఈస్ ఇన్హెరెంట్లీ కాంప్లెక్స్. ఇప్పుడు మనం పార్ట్ టూ లోని వాట్ ఆర్ ద క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ ఆఫ్ కాంప్లెక్సిటీ గురించి మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. లెట్స్ డైవ్ ఇన్ టు ద వీడియో. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కాంప్లెక్సిటీ characteristics. Here's a summary of the characteristics of software complexity. What is mean by software complexity? The software complexity is how the parts of a system are organized and connected. Organization and relationship between components making system harder to understand and maintain. Okay. Example. Think of a car. If the engine, wheels and dashboard are all tangled together, fixing a flat tire might require dismantling the entire car. Similarly, in software, poorly organized code makes it harder to fix or update one part without breaking others. Next one, behavior complexity. What is it? How the system behaves in different situations. Example, imagine a vending machine. If you press Coke button, but it gives you Pepsi, or if you it freezes when you insert a dollar bill, its behavior is unpredictable. In software, this makes testing and fixing bugs difficult. Dynamic system behavior make it hard to predict and test. Next one is algorithm algorithmic complexity. Complex logic and algorithms difficult to implement and debug. What is it? The complexity of a logic or steps used to solve a problem. Example, a recipe for baking a cake. If the steps are too complicated, example, whisk for exactly 3.5 minutes at 45 degrees angle. It's harder to follow and easy to mess up. Similarly, complex algorithms in software are tough to write and debug. Next one, data complexity. Complex data structures and flows challenging to manage. What is it? What it is? How data is stored, organized, and moved around. Example, a library with thousands of books but no catalog system. Finding a specific books becomes a nightmare. In software, poorly managed data or messy databases, example messy databases, makes it hard to retrieve or update information. Fifth one, control for complexity. Complex loop conditions, conditionals, and function calls makes code harder to follow. What is it? The flow of logic in a code. Example loops, conditions. Example, a traffic light system. If the lights change randomly instead of following a clear sequence, traffic gets chaotic. Similarly, messy control flow in software makes the code hard to follow and debug. Next one, dependency complexity. What is it? How different parts of a system rely on each other. Okay. Interdependencies between components leading to integration issues. Example, a domino setup. If one domino falls, the rest follow. In software, if one component fails, example, a library or API, it can break the entire system. Next, cognitive complexity. High metal effects required to understand and work with the software. What is it? How hard it is for developers to understand and work with a code. Example, a poorly written instruction manual, if it's full of jargon and unclear steps, you will struggle to assemble the furniture. Similarly, confusing code makes it harder for developers to maintain or improve the software. Next one, emergent complexity. What is it? Unexpected behaviors. What is mean by emergent complexity? Unexpected behavior when simple parts interact. Example, a group project. Individually, everyone knows their task, but when combined, miscommunication leads to chores. In software, simple components interacting can create unpredictable bugs. Hence, unexpected behavior from interacting components common in distributed system. Next, technical depth. What is it? Shortcuts can be taken during development that make future changes harder. Example, building a house with weak foundations works for now, but adding a second floor later, it will risky and expensive. It software, quick fixes accumulate and make future updates difficult. Accumulated shortcuts and suboptimal decisions increasing maintenance difficulty. Next one, scalability, complexity. Challenges in scaling to handle more load users or data. What is it? Challenges in handling growth and more users, data or users. Example, a small coffee shop. It works fine for 10 consumers, but if 100 show up, the staff and machines can't handle the rush. Similarly, software not designed for growth struggles under heavy load. By this, what is matters? This characteristic so why software is inherently complex. Managing this complexity requires. Okay, ఈ వీడియో కానీ నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి.